So in this video today, we're going to be learning how to do this. Learn with me, oh. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So I want to try with you guys this video. This is my first time trying this out. I want to remove this burnt patch on my iron. I'm trying this method out for the first time. This patch was caused by either AST or burnt fabrics. Okay, so I'll be using a paracetamol tablet, please. Okay, so I just plugged the iron so that I will heat it up. Let me try using this tablet on top of this iron without heating it up. You see that it will just make dry sound without even doing anything. Okay, so this is me just being an amateur that I am, because I've not even tried this thing out for the first time. This is my first time doing it and I'm trying it out with you guys. So I just switched on my iron and then I heated it. Then I started doing this. Okay, so I started scraping this on, and to my surprise, it was working. Okay, I'm not going to tell you that this is an easy method. Please try to protect your hand while you're doing this, okay? But it's working. Look at it now. All those dark patches are melting out. So I'll just clean it up. Although at first, because I was just trying this thing out for the first time, that's something I was using to clean the surface of this iron. I didn't even wet it. And at the end, towards the end of this video, I figured that I should have wetted that fabric. Okay, so when you're trying yours, try to wet out your own fabric or your own rag or any pieces you are using to clean up the surface. So I just continue doing this continuously, scraping this on my iron, and it's not even leaving scratches on the iron. The other methods I use, at the end of the day, leave scratches on the iron. Okay, but I just decided to do this on this particular iron with this patch, so I will see how effective this method is. And guys, it's really effective, because I found it very effective, in fact. And at the end of the day, I hope you find it effective. Try yours out. If you have dry all those patches on your iron, try to use this method and see how effective it works for you, and let me know your feedback, because me, I just saw this one and I said, okay, let me come and share to my subscribers how to do this and how it worked for me. Okay, so this is it. So while you are watching this magic, okay, if you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so every time I upload a new video, every time I see a new idea to bring to you, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. So I kept doing this continuously and continuously. At the end of the day, I had to change the rag so that I will have something moist or wet, so I can be rubbing it on this iron anytime I'm done, with the scratches. So this is it. Alright, please don't forget to always protect yourself for when trying this. If you have a glove will even be safer to do this, because the iron is heated. You can see the steam coming out. It shows that it's plugged in. I never even at some point offed this iron. While I was doing this, I didn't off it. It was just on throughout, and you can imagine the steam, the stuff that was coming out. I just wanted to remind you of how it was before and how it's looking now. That's why I showed you that before picture and after. I'll still show you at the end of the video how it was and how it is after then. Okay, so this is not even hard to do. All you have to do is just to protect your hand and have I used about 2 tablets to do this, and this is the end result, guys. It came out better than I envisaged. So try this out and let me know your own feedback. Look at the rag I used to do this thing, how it ended up. Okay, it ended up with patches. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Welcome to Lexv Designs. Bye.